Today we want to show you the nail polish remover by Pure Vitality Beauty. It is 100% natural according to the label. It's for strong, healthy, well-constructed nails and cuticles. I've opened it. It does not have a harsh smell at all. It's actually got a very pleasant smell. And I've got my daughter here with me that has dirty nails and old fingernail polish on her nails, and we're going to show you how easy it is to take it off. I really like this product, especially better than the kind that has the chemicals and the acetone or acetone, wherever it is in it, just because I feel comfortable using it on her fingers. It comes with this black cap. The black cap can be replaced with this glass dropper that comes packaged with it also. You can see that. It arrives in this 4-ounce amber colored glass bottle. And right now I've got a old rag here that I'm going to put some of the fingernail polish remover on. I'm not going to put it directly on her fingers. I'm going to put it on a rag. I have put it directly on my fingers. It doesn't cause a problem that way, and it's actually very moisturizing to the fingers. She doesn't have any on that one, just dirt that needs to be washed off. We have some blue on this one, and with a few wipes, it comes right off. And we have some green on this one, and again, with a few wipes.
You're going to do the other one next, right?
Which one?
This one.
Yeah, we can.
Because
and again, her fingers are dirty. She's been playing outside, and she's going to have a bath soon, so don't worry. And the pink came off that one, and she wants to show you the other hand. So we have a little bit of green, yellow, a little bit of red left, and those two are gone, but still I'm working with the first few drops I took out of the bottle in this little area of the cloth, and the green on that one comes right off. It actually, to me, works better than the last 3 bottles of nail polish remover I have bought. I would have to scrub and scrub, because this is the cheap dollar store fingernail polish.
More of it.
It doesn't need any more. We have cleaned it off all of your fingers. See? Now all that's left is that dirt, and you have to take a bath. So that was our fingernail polish. I'll show you the bottle again. It is blue. It is made by Pure Vitality Beauty, and it's 100% natural.
Can I paint my nails tonight?
Yes, you can. Thank you for watching.